Back to reviewing schedules in the schedule editor. Again, from the drop down, you can choose to look at the week view as well as any single daily view. The daily view is really useful when you are fine-tuning your schedule. Remember, you can do a bunch of things to shifts, like make them longer, shorter, and even drag them on top of other shifts to swap them or replace them. Okay, while you're fine-tuning your schedule though, it's really important to pull up your labor coverage down here on the bottom left. While looking at labor coverage, it's also good to filter down to a single job code. In this case, let's look at just cashiering. Now, if I look at my legend here, I can see that the blue line indicates my coverage demand. The coverage demand is going to follow the sales forecast that were put in your system in part 1. The coverage demand ensures that you have the right amount of help at the right time. Now, if you want to view how that works, as I move shifts around here, you can see my coverage demand is going to update in real time. So now it's really obvious to me when I look at my labor demand that I'm way overstaffed in the evening, especially from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m., and I'm way understaffed in the morning. Okay, I can see that by the red, meaning overstaffing, and the yellow, meaning understaffing. While you're modifying and fine-tuning your schedule, you can also see your forecast and schedule accuracy. So down here, I'm 65% accurate. Okay, the higher your accuracy is, the better the schedule is to meet your customers' needs. It's all about getting the right help at the right time. Okay, you'll see I can jump between all my different jobs down here. My graph will update, and I can change my schedule to view my graph. Remember up here in my filter, I can always change my filter too. So sometimes it's a lot easier if I look at just one job at a time. Now I'm looking at just my courtesy clerks for Saturday. Oftentimes that makes it easier to modify instead of having the clutter of other jobs as well. Okay, once you are happy with your schedule, you can print that schedule. You'll see I have my print icon up here in the top right. If I choose the print button while I'm filtered down to a single day, you'll see it's going to print just Saturday in this case. This is what we call the daily control sheet. So for instance, if I want to print a daily control sheet, I can choose the times with which I want to print that. When I hit print, you'll see I have a nice print preview of just Saturday. Now, if I want to print more than just a single day, I would choose the week view. Then I would click the print button. When I click the print button with the week view, I'll get an entire weekly printout. Keep in mind, this print button will simply print whatever you have on your computer screen. So for instance, if I wanted to print multiple job codes, I would need to select those job codes in my filter before clicking the print button. Okay, now you can see I have all those job codes in a print preview. Hopefully those tips allow you to navigate the schedule editor more efficiently and put an accurate schedule into the system while ensuring you also follow your labor demand across the bottom.